Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to play BeamNG.Drive on PS5 and what options you actually have. First, BeamNG.Drive is officially available only on PC, and there is no native PS5 version on the PlayStation Store, so you cannot directly download or install it on your console. If you already own BeamNG.Drive on a gaming PC, you can use a workaround like remote play or game streaming. One method is connecting your PC to your TV with an HDMI cable and using a PlayStation controller connected to your PC to play. Another option is streaming your PC gameplay through a capture card setup. Keep in mind, this requires a strong PC and stable setup for smooth performance. There is currently no official PS5 release, so avoid any website claiming direct console downloads. Subscribe the channel for more videos.